Hello, good afternoon everyone. First of all, before we start, I would like to greet you at Advanced National Day, Kuwait. So I hope every one of you will be enjoying this coming holiday. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to work with fondant cake. Okay, I'm gonna be using different types of tools and materials to it. I'm gonna explain to you one by one. In short, what I will be gonna be using. We're gonna be using sugar paste. We will color also the white sugar paste with color gel. This is the color gel. I highly recommend this for coloring the sugar paste because it's concentrate and it's gel paste. It will not affect the softness of the sugar paste. Okay, and we're gonna be using some tools right here like texture to apply on our sugar paste to give a nice texture, and some molds here. Okay, numbers and this one, and for the ribbons also, for the rope molds, and for the smoothing our sugar paste. And of course, I've shown you before a printer also, how to work with a printer. I already prepared a ready print showing the Kuwait here, and I apply a chocolate just to attach like a topper on our cake. Okay. So now we're going to start one by one, step by step. First, I'm going to show you how to color the white sugar paste by using the color gel. Okay. First, I'm going to make ready a cornstarch with the icing sugar. I prefer use half and half of it. This is for dusting our sugar paste so it will not stick on the table. So we're going to apply a little bit of dusting, and we're going to apply the color gel. This is green color. I'm going to show you one color, and then later you can apply in different colors. First, you apply a little bit and just gently press the dough like this. Okay. Massage it until it gets the color of the gel. So the gel, normally the recommended dosage is 7%. But it depends to you. You can add more or less. If you want a stronger color, you can add more. Or if you want less color, you can add less. So this is how we color our sugar paste. Make sure that the color is equally distributed. Okay, you don't have lines, and you can see equal color of the paste. So this is how we color the gel. Okay, I have something here ready, okay, to show you. Okay. I hope it's very simple step. Second step, it will be, I want to show you the cake here. You can see the cake here. It's covered with sugar paste, and in the corner here you have a very sharp edge. Normally you don't get the very sharp edge by just covering it. You have to cover the side first, and you have to cover the top. And this technique I'm going to show you today, inshallah. So this is the white sugar paste. Okay. First of all, when you take it out from the pail, normally you have to massage the dough, okay, to soften it. Here is it. Just make sure your hand is clean without any other color. Okay. So now we're going to apply some cornstarch on the table, and we're going to start kneading our dough. Just like this. Okay. It should become soft, okay? When the dough becomes soft, then you can start rolling it. You can use either a machine, dough sheeter, or can use a rolling pin for rolling the dough. Here I have this rolling pin, plastic. You just roll like this, okay? I'm just going to show you this technique, how I make the texture on the sugar paste. I have already one ready, prepared advance, so that it will be faster for us to complete the cake. I made something ready. So whenever you roll the dough, it needs for about 3 or 5 millimeters thickness. It depends on the size of the cake. Okay, and normally I take the length of the cake and the height of the cake when I roll the dough. Okay, I'm going to be using the texture rolling pin here. You just simply roll on top of the dough to create the texture. Okay, once you create the texture, and that's it, then you can cut based on the size you require. Okay, now let me tie it up a little bit. So now this is our cake, and this is our fondant, which is I already rolled previously. So now how to apply it on the side of the cake? I'm going to be using a rolling pin. This is the rolling pin. I'm going to be rolling it using the rolling pin right here. Okay, you have to roll it like this. By the way, the cake is covered with cream cheese icing, okay, and layered cake. You can follow us in our previous video how to assemble the layer cake. And then I'm going to start rolling it, attaching the dough, sugar paste around the cake, and I'm going to start covering the side, okay, like this. Okay, you can adjust the height. We use the smoother, okay, to stick the sugar paste. So this is how you cover the side. It's very important to use a dough smoother so you can cover all over the side. And then when you reach the edge, you have to cut it using a knife, big knife. Then you can fix it again, okay? Then you can fix again the cover to make it a bit higher to the edge. In this cake, this is the most difficult part, is covering the side. But once you cover the cake already, the rest of the decoration will be easy to apply. Okay. So make sure it's okay. So we just touch very well. So when you reach the end part, I normally cut it one straight line with a knife. I cut both layers of the sugar paste, and I remove this. I open a little bit, then I remove this part also, and then we just close it again. So you don't have a lot of overlapping between the sugar paste. So you can have a better, not very obvious attachment there, okay? And then also on the top, I already cut around this sugar paste. Just keep it on top like this. Okay, so now you have a very nice and sharp edges. This is how you cover the side and the top to get a nice sharp edge, cylinder shape sugar paste. So that's it. So next, we're going to apply the decoration on this cake. we're gonna keep it on the fridge for a while. Then our cake is ready. Here I prepared already the decoration for our cake. I'm going to explain to you one by one how I did this. Here I have this like a rope design, red color. I use here a rubber mold. This one, okay. A rubber mold. Gonna show you how I made this. Just simply take a piece of red sugar paste, just roll it. Okay. Just roll it long. Okay, and then you keep it here inside and you press. Press.
Wow, so easy.
Yeah, it's so easy. Huh? You press well, then you take out by opening the rubber on the side. One, open, pull out. Open, pull out. See. Okay, so now we have this nice rope design. Okay, you can attach on your cake, and then you can cut it based on the size. Okay, for example, we need 8 cm plus 10 cm. Okay, then you can attach together. It's very important technique also to use a little bit of water when you're attaching 2 sugar paste. Okay,
Stick?
and yes, to stick together. Okay, then you can let it dry. Okay, you can keep it ready in advance. Okay, so I prepared already. Now I'm gonna stick this on our cake. I'm going to be using a rolling pin. So now, as I said, just a little bit of water to attach. Okay, water to attach on the cake. Okay. One. See, you have a nice curtain decoration, like curtain effect. Two. Sorry. Okay, 2. Again. So the procedure is not that very complicated when you have all the molds. If you have a question while we are waiting, you can ask. See here. You can adjust the length. Okay. So now we have this like curtain decoration on our cake. Next, we're going to be attaching this decoration. Okay. I use here silicone mold. This one. Okay. It's very easy also. We're going to be using black sugar paste. Black sugar paste. And we just press it inside the mold. Okay, like this. You press. And then you remove the extra. Okay. You can use knife. In this decoration, directly you can unmold this. You don't have to wait and keep in the freezer. You don't have to do that. It's easy. Okay. See, now I'm going to open up all the side. Then I'm going to start pulling out the decoration. So I have this black decoration. Then we brush it with gold powder. I'm using here Modicor gold powder to give a nice shiny golden effect, just like that. Okay, and there you go. You have the decoration. Okay, so the idea is to stick this on the cake. Also, we apply some water and we stick it right this way. Same align with this in here on this side. Okay, one. Okay. To make sure, just you keep it horizontally equal. Okay, align. Don't apply too much water, otherwise the water might spread on your sugar paste. So try to keep just a little amount of water. That's it. Okay, we will try to check the alignment if it's okay and try to fix before it dries completely, because later you cannot fix it, so you have to double check now. Okay. I think it's fine. Okay, and here I have a small piece, same like this, but I cut into half to keep here in between the ribbon. Okay, just like that. One. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here you go. We have already the upper decoration of the cake. Now we just need to put the ribbon on the side. I have here already. Yes. Oh, sorry. Fell down. Okay. Yeah. Let's try to make sure it's already dry. Yeah? Okay. Now we're gonna keep the ribbon on the side of the cake. So I already rolled the green sugar paste and the black sugar paste. So first we're gonna apply the green sugar paste. When I'm applying this one, I'd like to keep one ribbon, plastic ribbon, along with it. Okay, and then before you start, you have to brush it with water. Okay, just a little bit of water, so that our sugar paste will stick. Okay, that's it. So now, I'm showing here. I will roll this sugar paste like this. Okay, I keep rolling. Then, okay, like this. Okay, I'll make it flat. I always choose where is the front. If this is the front of the cake, I'll start from the back. Okay, keep like this. Okay, then you just roll it. Okay, and that's it. Another side will be the black. Again, we need to put a little bit of water on the green, so the black will attach. Okay, that's it. Same technique, we're gonna roll it. Or You can roll it like this also, without the ribbon. But for me, I like to use a ribbon. It's much more accurate for me when I do this technique. But you can
بس
even
keep it clean maybe.
yeah, keep it clean also. But you can do also like this. And if it's small part, you can do like this. But big pieces, I prefer to use the ribbon. Okay, just roll. Okay, now same technique, we will cut the dough. We will cut the dough. Here, you will select where is overlapping, then you cut from there. Okay, you can cut. Then you remove, you open, and remove this. Then you attach again. Okay. Now you have a nice clean attachment here. I'm short here, but no problem. It will be the back side of the cake. So you have this decoration. Then this one, you can apply some damp cloth, clean, okay, with water to remove this dusting cornstarch. You do this finally on the cake to make to clean whatever you have white powder on top. So for the decoration on top, I use this mold, okay, for the number to make 25.
Make it 26 maybe now because
Yeah, we have 25 right there. We're gonna make 26. Okay. Then you can choose where you want to keep. You can keep beside like this 20. This mold already it has a attachment here, so you can just push it, press it inside the cake. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Then I have here the Kuwait. I use a printer here, medical printer. Okay. And then I applied some chocolate behind it. Okay. And I use the lollipop stick. The green is matching the celebration. The green I have here also red. And we just stick it beside here, just to make sure it's straight. Okay. Press. Okay. So that's our cake. Yeah, let's keep it beside together. They have a slightly different finishing, but it's the same cake actually. Nice. Yeah. I changed a little bit here the decoration. I make two to make a nice like curtain, and you can see the black fondant and the green fondant right here, and the texture here, the brick texture, is like castle, you know, and this nice decoration, the number and the Kuwait logo.
Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome. I hope you like our live today. Inshallah, we'll see you after the holiday. Have a nice day. Thank you.